Besides you, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a bad case of stripes makeup look. So obviously this is like an iconic kids book, and I just really like the cover of it, and everybody like recreates this makeup look, and I was like, this is so cute, and I just really wanted to do it. So if you guys want to see me create a bad case of stripes makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I already did my brows off camera, so now we're going to conceal the brows. And first we're just going to take the Athena palette, and we're going to take this green. Actually, do I want to take this green? Let me see what it looks like. I'm just a mess today. Let's do the top first, which is a red line. So we're just going to take the CC Beauty palette, and we're going to take the red from that palette, and we're going to take that one a flat brush. We're just gonna create like a line, and then above that line we're just gonna fill it in with the red. I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and we're gonna take the red from that palette on a flat like big brush, and we're just gonna take that and we're just gonna set that red with some eyeshadow. And then the next color is yellow, so we're gonna be using the CC Beauty palette for this, so I'm not gonna keep saying it. I'm just gonna say I'm gonna take the yellow on another flat brush, and I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did with the red, except under it. Ignore this little empty space because I have like a bang, so I'm just gonna like not go the whole way over because my bang will cover it, obviously. I'm gonna take another, this is gonna require a lot of brushes, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna take the yellow from the Makeup Revolution palette, eyeshadow palette, and just set that yellow with this. Color is gonna be green, so I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows first just so it's not like super messy. Yeah. And then now I'm gonna take this fluffy Real Techniques brush, and I'm gonna take the greens from the green eyeshadows and just set this with that. I'm gonna do some eyeshadow, just cause y'all know me, I'm extra. So I think I'm just gonna do like some green eyeshadow. I'm gonna take some of this Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder. I'm just gonna put that all over my eyes, just for some extra powder. I'm gonna take the darkest green from that palette and just start putting that into my crease on a BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush. And now on a M504 brush, I'm going to take a little bit of the black from the palette and just put that on the outer corner and also into the crease. So now the next color is blue. So we're going to take the darkest blue, this one from the CC Beauty palette. Okay, and then now, you guessed it, I'm just going to take a brush with the blue eyeshadow and just set that, obviously, like all the others. This is so cute already. Okay. next color is orange. I'm gonna go, because I don't feel like mixing colors, I'm gonna go in with my new Athena palette, and I'm gonna take the orange from that palette. I'm gonna avoid the lips because we're gonna do a brown, because she has on, like, her lips are brown, so you can avoid putting some orange on the lips. I'm not sure if I like the Athena palette better than the CC Beauty palette. It's definitely thicker, which I like. But I don't know if it's a pigmented, but it could just be the orange. But you guys can see it, so I'm fine with that. And now the next color is gonna be purple. I'm gonna take my earrings off. Purple. This is so cute. I literally can't. So now the next color is yellow again. And now, like, for here, because my shirt, you guys can't even see it, but just for like the effect, I'm gonna do purple because my shirt, the first color is purple, so I wanted to like blend in with the shirt. Guys, this might be one of my favorite looks so far. So now we're just gonna do under eyes, and we're gonna take this Juvia's Place small fluffy brush, and we're gonna take the darkest green from that Makeup Revolution palette and just blend that under the eye. The Beauty Bay EYM Bright palette, and we're gonna take Frosted Lime, which is like this frosted lime shade, and we're just gonna put that on the lid. Now for lips, I'm just gonna take the brown from the CC Beauty palette, and then I'm gonna set it with some brown eyeshadow when I don't feel like getting a lip. Honestly, I'm just gonna be honest, I'm just lazy. I don't feel like getting up to get a lipstick, but this also works good as well. Or if you don't have the color that you're looking for, you can like make it. So now I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash. I'll just do some finishing touches and I will come back. It's so funny, I'm looking at my brushes because they literally just look like a rainbow of like colors because of the, you know, setting it and everything. So I just think that's funny. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go off camera, put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished Bad Case of Stripes makeup look. I just went off camera and put on a lash. I didn't want to do too big of a lash because I feel like it would kind of like not go with the look that much. I mean, I still think it would look really cute. It would be very like draggy, which would also like be cute. But yeah, this is the finished look. I just put my little cardboard bow that I made. Cardboard is my best friend for like spooky videos. I just be making headpieces back and forth, like right and left with cardboard. Like, get some cardboard if you don't have like the headpieces to videos, and just like paint it and all that good stuff. So yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I truly love it. I think it's so cute. I think it's so nostalgic, and I just like love it, especially with this shirt. I just feel like it goes like perfectly. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe because I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it's a really big goal, but I'm trying. So like I said, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you join the family. And if you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. Will also be in the description box down below. If you want to watch previous episodes or series of Spooktorial, those will also be linked down below, because this is episode like 5, I think. So there's more episodes in this season. October's almost over, which is very sad, but I'm trying to fit in as much videos as like I can possibly. I'm in school, so it's kind of like hard to film videos, but I'm trying my hardest because there's a few other makeup looks that I want to do, so I'm just trying to put those out there for you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.